Shugor nagashlam jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Conrad Kongkel Sangma haringkat uba Pol Lingdo ubade Menteri ke Tanat Jungokai Perthei kila sam ye ke Jingiarap pisa lani ke Grand Shigilai ngut kino Shna Phlim bakin Shna ye ki Phlim bat ban penmi ha ke Hello Meghalaya. Ye gini ke Jingiarap pisa kat kumbala tho la ai mar lai pusan lak tingka ke badai ha ke A category ki badai ke baju yo ye ki khusnam ha ki Phlim ki bakila Shna kat ba ha ke B category pat ansajet chi pongut ki ban yo Jingiarap ar pusan lak tingka bat ki wei de ki category kin yo hala ke jong ke jingmang hapo ke Hello Meghalaya kini ki langut ki no Shna Phlim ki kinthop yo ba Pradip Kurba kong simi kong tiang bat u Dominic Sangma Hagani ka snila samro yaki khusnam yaki ba bon tam ki ba pet ya ki Phlim ha ka Hello Meghalaya ka ka Phlim ka daw ka music video ka ba bon tam ki ba ngam ka dei Shillong Shadhaka na ka Phlim Dhaka Escape bat ka short film ya ka bala ai kerteng phikir
and Simi Kontia. May I request all three filmmakers to please come up on stage. Dominic Sangma, Pradip Kurbat and Simi Kontia. And may I request all three recipients to stand there together as we take a group photograph with our dignitaries.
I just got in from Mumbai this morning. I left at about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock flight and had about 4-5 programs back to back and could not keep up with the pace. So I could not really make it on time. I always keep saying this, that time is very, very precious for all of us. So I always feel very bad when I waste your time. I was just making a very small calculation that I was 2 hours late. So there are about 200 people out here. So that's about 2,000 hours. And you divide that by days. It's almost 10 days, working days we have lost in the last 2 hours which I was late. And that's why time is important and discipline is important. And I apologize for not coming on time, but I'm very happy that all of you waited. And that's why I told them, don't give the checks till I come. So I'm very happy that those instructions were followed. And hence, even though you wanted to leave, you could not leave. Very excited to see the kind of response that we are getting. We did not really know what would be the reaction, response of the content creators, and also the public at large, how they will respond to this entire platform that we had created. And we had some doubts, but in the last few months, 6 months or so, we have really been able to push this, to the next level, I should say. We're very happy with the kind of response we're getting. Of course, we expect more things to happen in the future. But this, what we have to understand when we are doing all of these things, that it's not about just one platform that we create. It's not about one award that we give. And definitely not about one new scheme that we're coming out with. We have to really see the larger picture of what we are trying to do out here. And to give you a sense, it's about you. It's about the young people out here. Meghalaya is a very young state. The youngest, perhaps, one of the youngest states in the country. I was going through some numbers way back. I think it was COVID time. And I was surprised to see that out of the 30 plus about 38 lakhs people, 3.8 million people, Just 6 lakhs are above the age of 45. All the rest are below 45. And a large percentage, almost close to 50%, is, even below 25, maybe even below 20. So we realize the kind of programs and schemes that we need to create to connect with all of you. Not just connect with all of you, to be able to allow the talent inside you to come out. To be able to give that platform to you, to be able to make those videos which I couldn't make when I was a kid. I still remember I was, I think 15 years old, to go to one of the studios, it was in Delhi, to go and record my first music song, whatever we had composed as a band at that time. And that, I think, was the most exciting time that I had, and the most, you can say, productive or most creative moment that I had ever. Because there was no platform. There was nowhere I could go. We just had, enough studios and enough money just to go and do a recording once. And that was it. And we didn't get anything after that, no chance, no opportunity. And these experiences in our personal life, impact the decisions we make today. And I look back at those moments and say, well, we couldn't do it, but why can't our youth now get the opportunity to do it? And therefore, we're very, very happy that today we are launching, in fact, the new guidelines for the film production. Again, an area which I am very, very keen to promote. Again, this does not go just as a single guideline. I'm sure you're aware that we have also come out under CM Elevate. We have come out with a program to support 30 or 35 cinema halls. 30. So 30 cinema halls will be up to 30-35% will be subsidized by the state government to put up in different parts of the state. Movies that you make. So not just this platform, the movies that you make will also be played in the cinema halls, which will again be run by young entrepreneurs like you. And so all of these dots are being connected together to create the large canvas for the youth of our state that we are trying to do, to create the opportunities to, again, give you the right channel so that you are able to really use your imagination, your creativity in a productive way, in a way in which you can create livelihood, in a way you can create, good movies, good music, and we can give more awards like we did today. So I won't take much time. I'm truly excited to see the kind of response. I thank some friends of ours I was told have come from other parts of the country who are here today. Thank you so much for coming and encouraging our youngsters. They all obviously will look up to all of you to get inspiration, to learn things about different content creation. And of course, once again, thank you. Congratulations to all the people who are here today, be able to expand this more further. My only suggestion, Vijay, I think in the future, can make it more exciting. The awards were so soft. I think youngsters out here, they want a bit more action, I should say, in the award ceremony. Some lights and all going flickering around and all that stuff. So I think you should make it more exciting so that it creates a bit of hype. So it's great, I think, but we learn as we go along. And I wish all of you the very best. I encourage all of you that please take this opportunity. A lot of people don't know about these kind of programs. There are so many programs that the state government is running today to support the youth. And we want you to take advantage of that because we want to give you that platform. We want to give you that opportunity. We want you to allow you. This is the most important thing to me. I would like to see that no youngster today says that, well, I wish I could do this, but I don't have the necessary platform or the opportunity to do this. I was just talking to some of the students in one college. I was telling them that because we started science stream finally in government colleges, in some rural colleges which did not have science stream. I mean, you'll be surprised. And I told them that what happens to those students who want to become scientists? What about those students who want to follow and become doctors? Just because the science stream is not there, we're taking away the dream. And therefore, we as a government need to ensure that we are able to provide or at least give the direction to be able to allow these young minds to be able to follow their dreams, do the things that you're passionate about, do the things that you really want to do in your life. And that's really what drives us, drives Bapol and me, because both of us were musicians. We didn't get a chance. We flopped. So we are here in politics. Just joking.